15 minutes is not time to tell you about our products and about all the great things that we do and how to do. So I'll tell you about a couple of things. Mostly I want to tell you about what our customers are doing with our solutions. So our theme here is enabling discovery. We're doing some really exciting things. Our customers are doing very exciting things. I just want to give you a couple snapshots of some of that. I'm responsible for business development. I'm working with universities throughout the western U.S., based in Colorado, where the high yesterday was 12 degrees, I believe. So it's nice to be here. A couple nice words about Dell and HPC from a recent IDC report. So if you want to know how Dell's doing at HPC, we're actually doing very well. As I say here, we've established ourselves as one of the world's top vendors. We've grown our business significantly in the last year, and our real focus, as they point out here, is departmental HPC. So you'll see a lot of hype about the top 500 list and top 10s and the big systems around the world. Dell really focuses on what it says here, departmental HPC, smaller clusters. 16, 32, 128 nodes. We do those routinely. We do lots of them. We do them very well. We have, this is my one product slide. If you want to hear about the products, we have rack mount servers, we have blade servers, very high density servers called Power Edge C or Cloud Edge line. Steve Jones has a bunch of those, and I'm sure you'll hear about them from Steve in his talk later today or tomorrow. Up at the top right, we have a GPU computing box that holds 16 GPUs in a single chassis and allows you to flexibly allocate those to the servers. We do storage solutions, NFS, cluster storage solutions, both for Dell and for our partners. TerraScale, we're partnering with DBM, we're partnering with Genesis, so that's here. Power Connect with ForceTen, we recently acquired ForceTen. The byline for all these solutions, and for Dell solutions in general, open, capable, and affordable. Right, so we continue to provide open solutions that are built on standards, provide the capability you need to get work done, and our byline is affordable. Absolutely. So I said we're not focused on the high end, the top 500 list, but we're starting to get a little more interest and starting to get a little more momentum in that space. So we recently partnered with the University of Texas Advanced Computing Center, and they received a $27.5 million grant over the next 4 years. And we're building a 10 petaflop system that will be up and running on the XC Terabit network in January of 2013. It's up and running today, the largest system ever. It's 2 petaflops of x86 compute from Intel, as well as 8 petaflops of accelerated computing with the Intel Mini integrated cores, or white architecture. If you want to learn more about that, you actually have to sign an NDA with Intel. We'll be happy to tell you a lot more information. What I can tell you is it's 22 nanometer technology, it's more than 50 cores, and it's x86 programmable. So it's compatible with x86 languages. So it looks very, very promising for going into petascale and beyond. Very, very large system we're doing with TACC, 14 petabytes of disk built on Dell storage, very high bandwidth. We're also working with them on visualization, shared memory, and TACC's emphasis on the software stack. They provide all the computer software. So this is Dell's first foray into petascale computing, but it's not the last. We're very excited. I saw a very similar slide to this earlier, which makes me think it must be a new PowerPoint template. Dell is not just a hardware company. Right? A couple of years ago, in fact, shortly after I joined up, in about 2.5 years, we bought Pro Systems, virtual Pro Systems, which added 40,000 services to the company. And so we are providing a complete range of services from cluster deployment and integration. We'll remotely manage or host your cluster if you're out in your data center. We'll provide on-demand bursting services. So if you need R&D center right down the road in Santa Clara. So, good for California. Our tagline is the power to do more. Hopefully you've seen these ads now, because we're putting a lot of money into Dell advertising with this tagline. And it's really true in research computing. I picked a few examples here. Some of our customers are doing, on the upper left is modeling of hurricanes. So that's Hurricane Ike. And it's done with ensemble modeling so they can try and reliably predict where that hurricane's going to go. That's run at the TACC Lone Star system, a 300 teraflop system here at the University of Texas. On the upper right is the BP oil spill. Things that really impact society and science. This is where we're really proud to enable this type of research to work. On the lower right here is the tracking and modeling of the H1N1 virus. So very, very relevant. And then on the lower left at the University of Louisville, Kentucky, they're modeling IED and landmines to save our troops, save lives. So a lot of really valuable science and discovery that's done with Dell solutions, and we're really proud of it. A new venture for Dell, we just announced that we are investing in supporting a partnership with TGen. I have to look at this. This is the Translational Genomics Research Institute. So it's a nonprofit research institute based in Arizona. And their goal is to translate research into new diagnostics and treatments for diseases, specifically cancer. The Van Andel Research Institute is up in Michigan. They're partnering with us and Dell to tackle pediatric cancer. Now, this is really important to our company. It's putting a lot of research, and individual employees are investing in this. Why is this so important? In the U.S. alone, just the U.S., a child dies from neuroblastoma every 16 hours. A child is diagnosed in the U.S. alone with cancer every hour of every day. So we think it's really important to tackle pediatric cancer. And we're putting our money where we're at here to say this is important for the company. And the work by these different research institutes is around personalized precision medicine. So it's already being done for adults. Right? There's some examples here that if you know the genomic profile of the individual you're trying to treat, you can actually tailor the treatment and medicine to his specific genomic makeup. And so there's some examples there on the left for leukemia, for breast cancer, for melanoma. But those are all for adults. Right? Since the 1980s, the FDA has approved 50 treatments for adult cancer and 1 for pediatrics. So we see a need here, we see an opportunity in adult discussing, working together with TGen and with the Untitled Institute. We are providing through the Dell Cloud research computing capability, storage capability to be able to process this genomic data. Each individual that's processed generates about 30 terabytes of genomic data, so that's a fair amount of data you can store and process. We're providing the capability to be able to do that. And within, as it says at the top, the neuroblastoma, 12 days to analyze that genomic data and develop a personalized precision treatment plan. So very exciting stuff, and it's being tested out. It's a proof of concept right now with 14 patients. The goal is to expand to 100 patients next year, and then to, as I said on the radar, to over 100,000 patients over time. So we want to grow this thing and provide the ability to really tackle pediatric cancer across solutions. Very active community of advocates and supporters, including Dell. You can see a number of research institutes here. It's the season of giving. I encourage you to support this effort and contribute to your favorite or pick one of these and support this effort. I think it's great. So with that, we're giving these research institutes, our customers, the power to do more.